Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. And this is my white house paint. I'm just pouring down on my tile. There's nothing added to my house paint. It's just white eggshell house paint. This is, I think this is, oh, this is the Glidden Premium Eggshell. All right. But today I have some different mixtures. I'm going to try and see if this works as a pouring medium. And what it is regular floetrol and some medium and gloss varnish mixed together. So I've got some Deep Violet by Liquitex Basics, Deco Art Champagne Gold, Turquoise, Deco Art Americana Cobalt Turquoise. Oh, I also have some phthalo turquoise. So I'm just debating which one to put on the bottom. All right, I think I should put some gloves on. I just did a painting, that's why there's a mess around here, which I didn't use my spinner, I tilted, so I'm tilted all over here. I thought I'll just do one more before I change it all, just to see if this works. I'm going to put the turquoise down first because I think it's opaque. Then I'm going to put some phthalo. Then I'm going to put a purple, and then the gold. This has gotten thick on me, just adding a little water. This is a Deco Art Champagne Gold. Okay, and I have some Payne's Gray Cell Activator. Don't have much left. I'll use my little mini blower. Oh, that's pretty. So it does work. It might have been too thick though. The paints are supposed to be thinner than your pillow. It still looks pretty nice. could have blown it out a little farther, but I'll let that sit a bit longer. So it's a different pouring medium in there than I usually use. I used the same pouring medium for a ring pour that I did and a swipe. So I thought I would try it for a bloom. It's not bad. So if you don't have untinted house paint, you could try floetrol, regular floetrol, not Amsterdam, or sorry, not Australian, and a gloss medium. Varnish and medium together, this one is. I did it, so I mixed the pouring medium up. 70% floetrol, 30% gloss medium. I like this champagne gold. I haven't used this much before. All right, let's see how this spins out. And if you didn't have house paint, you probably could use white, like white, titanium white acrylic paint mixed with the same pouring medium. It probably would work okay too. Okay, let's go this way. It needs to come this way a little more. I think I'm gonna like this white negative space. See if I can go this way one more time. Oh wait, air bubbles are popping and showing the underneath paint. I go this way. Still moving. See, is this centered properly? It's pretty good. That's pretty. I like the colors together. Just make sure it's not moving anymore. There, it's pretty good. All right, there you go. Look at that. I love it. I love the weight negative space. Those are pretty cells. All right. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell for notifications. You'll be notified when I do a new video. And comment below. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi everybody, this is my dried tile that I did with different pouring medium. Yeah, it dried really nice. Oh, I like this one, it's very pretty. I like that champagne gold. There you go. Thanks for watching and look at that shine. Have a great day everyone. Bye-bye.